vanhu vauya vachikomenda zvakasiyana-siyana pamusoro pepresence yaVP Constantino Chiwenga kuTanzania paThe inauguration yaSamia Suluhu Hassan. Panguva ine toona vanhu vauya vachipindura zvakasiyana-siyana. Aiwa, zvashamisa vanhu zvinatsoratidza kuti vanhu vanonyatsokuziva kuti macolors ajenali akaita subscribe or like on the bell icon. Isaac Makomicha amudanyura achiti, listen Zimbabweans, VP Chiwenga is in Tanzania because the duties of the VP includes representing the president in the country at official events, meetings, and inaugurations. Whatever happened, bad or good, during my elections ekuTanzania, Tanzania, VP havana anything pazviri. Tavida macomments, vanhu vanobuda chikomenda vachiti, but you were saying he did not attend Sona because he is his own man. Why did he not refuse like he did for Sona? Mumwe munhu aya akakweshena. Isaac Makomicha anouya achimbinda achiti ndiani akadaro. Vanopinda vachiti, if general is in Tanzania for swearing in of Suluhu, then that's bad because it's just sanitized a sham election. He should not have attended. He must stand firm for what is right always. But then we are not amused. This is the same general who unleashed soldiers on civilians in the 2008 elections. Marubindanyura achiti, who was responsible for the August 2018 killings? Who was responsible for the operation Akudzokwi in Marangi? Marubinda achiti, who was acting president when soldiers shot and killed protesters in January 2019? Marubinda achiti, your brain is like a bottomless bucket. Even if we put a desert full of sand, it will remain empty. In diplomacy, most you don't just attend events because attending is an endorsement and staying away is a protest. Wanapindanyura achiti, hi wow, with protesters like this, who needs enemies? Because you chose the person first. You bend the principles to suit the situation. By putting principles second, you lose the ability to hold your men to account. Tomashukana mudai togone vanhu pamusoro aiwa pechitiko chekuti VP vanoatenda aiwa the inauguration yeTanzania. Pena comment section medu zafunguro aim kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chete on the bell icon.